Hello everyone and welcome back to Arts and Crafts Kingdom. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a beautiful and shiny golden bridge. Make sure to watch all the way to the end to see if I show the artwork that you have sent in on today's episode. Grab some pens and papers and let's get started. Grab a ruler and trace a horizontal line of about 28 centimeters at the bottom of the page. Mark a point at 4 centimeters and 24 centimeters. Now draw an exact same line below the first line. Twist your ruler up and trace a line going up, starting from the 24 centimeters point we marked. Move left and draw another line. Repeat the process until you have 2 columns. Now move the ruler to the 4 centimeters mark and do the same. This time we'll be drawing longer lines. Move the ruler over the first 2 columns and draw a horizontal bar in between them. Add another one and do the same for the left columns. Now draw 4 bars going down underneath our bridge. Add some detail at the top of your towers, just like this. Now, starting from this point, draw a line going down and coming up, touching this point of the other tower. And again. Now draw a few more lines going down on both sides. Our bridge crosses a river, so let's draw a few waves underneath the bars. I've decided to make the weather sunny and draw some birds in the sky, but you guys can add whatever you prefer. Time to color in! I will choose the following colors, but you guys can choose any color you like. Black for the bottom of the bridge. And yellow for the sun. Red for the bridge. Remember to take your time with these guys, it's all about having fun. and some dark grey for the bars. Light blue for the river. Now, slowly go over the lines with a black marker. And that's it! We have now drawn our majestic golden bridge. Well done, everyone! I hope you had fun, and remember, as always, practice makes perfect. Now it's time for Let's Show Your Art. In this part of the episode, we show all the amazing arts and crafts you guys have sent in. Today's art was sent in by Evie. I am so impressed. I love that you used so many different shades of green. This makes it look not only beautiful, but real. Well done, Evie. If you would like to send in your arts and crafts for us to show in one of our videos, then please send it to this email address. And that's all we have time for today. Make sure to like this video by pressing the thumbs up button and press the subscribe button below to be the first to watch new videos every week. Also, don't forget to tell your friends in school about Arts and Crafts Kingdom. See you soon!